What's happening, guys? Right, so we're on our way to our next adventure. The sun is blinding and I had no glasses, so I've had to put our glasses on. Do you reckon the suiters? But yeah, so we're on our way now. I'll bring this back when we get a little bit closer to the destination. Let's go. Crawfield's Quarry in Haltwhistle. What a little hidden gem. So we've stopped off in a little quirky place. Gonna have a little adult beverage. Wow, look at this little sun trap. Little whistle wetter. Cheers, guys. So I've stopped off after nearly a 3-hour drive. And we're at the manor house. I didn't know this, but Lauren just said to me there, it won what? It won 4 in a bed. I'm gonna go and get maybe a little bite to eat, aren't we? Maybe a chippy or something. Cheers, guys. So guys, bit of a change of plan. This is the 4th location. We've been driving all over in Northumberland trying to find a spot. Everywhere was just really busy. I think it's because of the weather. But we've managed to find a spot overlooking a lake. It looks absolutely spot on. So fingers crossed, no one comes in and tells us to move on. Otherwise they're getting told to. But yeah, so anyway, I'll show you the setup. So this is where I parked. A little quiet car park. What were we saying about the setup, Lauren?
Lovely.
Full-size double airbed. Absolutely spot on. Should be cosy. Gonna have a nice cup of coffee now and enjoy the views. It's risky bizzle down here, like I won't lie. There's people driving past and they're having a right nosy at us. They're probably saying, what are they doing here, them? Oh. Lauren's getting wolf whistled and everything here. Get on! Can't go anywhere without the chap being kicking out, can you? That's someone pulling it?
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Like fully. So
that there, full panel roof for the stargazing. The car's just pulled up there and they're looking at us thinking, what are they doing? Watch.
We've been busted.
Look at you just perched in there, man. Looks cosy though.
It is.
Look, so we've got a teddy bear fleece. We've got, under that we've got a king, I think it's is it a double king size, what's it called? Super king size mattress topper. And then we've got the airbed underneath that. So with all that, I think you'll find that'll be absolutely spot on. He's just walking his dog. He pulled up, I thought, oh no. Right, so we're all parked up. Lauren's gonna have a little bit of a chill out in the car. I'm gonna go for a little mooch. We did find a location that was absolutely unbelievable, with unbelievable views, but there was no overnight parking and it had CCTV in operation, so it wasn't worth getting settled and then getting moved on. So I give it a miss. We've been driving, went to another place. It was quite busy, so that got sacked off. And then we came here. It's about a half an hour drive from Penrith. Nice little quiet road in the middle of nowhere. The car's just parked up next to us there to walk his dog. He's just told me there, if you walk 10 minutes in this direction, you'll be able to see all over the lakes in Cumbria. you get an unbelievable view. So that's where I'm heading. But I've been to the shop and I've bought an unbelievable bit of scran to cook later on. So stay tuned for the cooking part of the video, because who doesn't like to watch people cook and then get scranning? This is where I am, in the middle of nowhere. Honestly, right, I'd really recommend not so much the car camping, but getting up and just driving away from towns, cities, built up areas, and just get yourself into a remote part of the UK or anywhere in the world. And honestly, the ones that does for your head, just getting out of the hustle and bustle, the rat race, the fresh air, the open spaces, and look at this, blue skies. Unbelievable. Yeah, so if you're enjoying the video so far, people, hit the thumbs up button and give us a subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos just like this one, having a good mooch around, having a bit of crack and knocking up some nice scran. What more can you want? And obviously spectacular views. So we're back at the camp, right, and I've just walked up to the car and Lauren's flat out asleep. Watch this. She's got a big trash there. It's happening, people. So I'm just getting settled now, just chilling. Lauren's on the Prosecco. I've got one as well for the meal. Just chilling out. Absolutely chillaxing. Look at that. I've just been thinking in my head there, right, how mad it is. I'm 30, she's 27. We would never, ever have dreamed of doing this, would we?
No.
Well, I mean, don't get me wrong, we haven't actually slept out, we haven't went to sleep out yet. It's all going smooth up and now. It could go Pete to the tongue real quick. Rangers could turn up, army tanks, jets, and I'll just have to turn me cap round like that. But I'll turn me cap round like that, right, and just go, come on, backflip off my car. What am I on about? We would never have done this. And how I've managed to get out doing this, I do not know. I'm praying to the gods that it goes well, because if it goes well, this will not be your last time, will it?
No.
We can be seeing a lot more of Loskins on the Bean Outdoor Show. Oops, spilt more down my boat than I did in my mouth. We're just chilling out. I think I'm going to make a starting food real soon. So I'll bring you back when I am on the ones and twos, the pots and pans, if you know what I'm talking about. Cushy. Doobly juices. So there we go, people. Oh, and that's tea tonight sorted. Fillet steak done in garlic butter and rosemary, and then you've got new potatoes done with garlic and rosemary, done in the steak juices. Oh my god, wow, look at that. Right guys, that's food all done. You have the first try, go on. Go on, you want the first try. Oh. Unbelievable that. Let's try the turkeys. Oh. Try them.
Nice.
Yeah, unbelievable. Oh, wow, wow.
You can probably taste the garlic, can't you?
Oh, that steak just falls apart, you know.
Dip it in the juice.
Oh my god, wow. Oh, they are unbelievable. Oh my god. Look, see,
You have to start doing them like that at home.
something very, very simple. Couple of steaks, couple of tatties. The bed's going off it behind you. Bust some, yeah, come and get some. Oh my god. It's been unbelievable.
I know.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, we had a bit of a nick up in the beginning, but really, it actually led us to potentially the best spot we could have found. I'm over the moon, are you?
Yeah. The views over there, stunning.
Steak, views, the company, you and me, you get to spend the night with me. Oh my god. We're going to enjoy this, and then we'll bring you back in a second when we're setting all the lights up, ready to go chill out in the scratcher. What do you say? Well, as you can see, it's absolutely silver black. And there's us. What are we saying, Loz? Well guys, that's about it. We're gonna put Netflix on, chill out, and get our head down. I'd say it was successful with you.
Yeah.
What a fucking laugh. As if we can't count, man, what the hell? Unbelievable. Oh, that's a good camera angle. Gabe. No, I just wanted to show everyone the pan, Rob. I just wanted to show everyone the pan, Rob. But we're going to do a bit of stargazing. Oh, everybody's starry-eyed. Oh, God, what a laugh. Buona noche, guys. Buona noches. Mwah. Adios.
Led you astray, huh? I did that all by myself.
Well, good morning, guys. 5 AM. I'm busting for a pish. Oh, slept unbelievable. Warm as toast. Oh, my other little flash on me watch. I'm still flat out. Great success. Morning, Lauren.
Morning.
Oh, wow. What a night, Skip. Lauren woke up sweating last night. That's how warm it was. We thought we were going to be freezing. Oh. 5 AM. We're going to slowly get up, get sorted. I was going to make a coffee and that this morning, some brekkie, but you know what? I think I'm just going to get out of here. Woomph, hit the road. Jack, and don't you look back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you go back no more. Oh, just getting packed away now. Boots open still. But yeah. 5:24 AM. Don't know if I even picked up on the camera there. I'm going to chill out for a bit. Get the car thingy, because it's like a scene off Titanic. Come back! Come back! But yeah. Unbelievable night. Oh, look at that. I should get some kitchen water to dry the windows.
You'll make marks on it. You have to just wait till it clears.
How did you sleep, Lauren?
Actually, alright, you know.
No, like...
I can't believe you sleep.
What? What?
No.
Oh. Well, guys, that's us. Gonna catch the sunrise when we're driving home. But yeah, what a location. Did not get bothered once. And I think one car only passed throughout the full night. Happy days. All the rubbish is all packed away. If you're gonna come and do stuff like this, people, just make sure you take your rubbish. There's too many dickheads going about and just leaving stuff. And you know what? You ruin it for everyone, because they just put signs up saying no overnight parking, you can't stay here. But yeah, happy days, guys. I'll bring you back when I get to this view. That brings us to the end of this video. First ever car cam completed. I'm just in pyjamas, soaking up this amazing view. But yeah, if you liked the video, drop us a thumbs up on it. It lets me know that you've enjoyed videos like this and pushes me to make a lot more. And why not give us a subscribe? It's absolutely free for you, but means a massive amount to me and helps the channel massively. But yeah, if you've watched all the way through, I really appreciate it. Drop us a comment, what you think or what you would like to get up to. Whoa. Oh my God, a pheasant's just ran out. And yeah, thank you guys. See you on the next one.